Hello, so I got Madtown's debut album today. This is the front. Really nice metallic shine to it. I really like their logo as well. The back, track list. So 5 tracks, 1 instrumentals, so 4 songs in total. The spine. Oh, here we have the CD. Really nice. And the photo book. I think all of them here first. Individual pictures. Ooh, nice. Ooh. Nice. Okay. So the track list again. What's the logo? Ooh, sorry. Lyrics. Ooh, more pictures. Nice. They're all really good looking. Undoubtedly. Yes. Really nice pictures. Thanks to, yes. Ooh, such a long thanks to from all of them. Ah, that's the last page. No, this, no, one more. Yes, of course, there's 7 members. So. And the credits. And I'm going to show you the poster as well, because I got that one. It's quite small. Here we go. See how much I can zoom out on this. Okay. Oh, I'll have to get up. Here we go. So, ooh. There's the full one. Oh, I'm sorry. Claire. There we go. That's the full poster. You can see, yeah, one of the faces is about the size of the album. So yeah, that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye!